Guys, sama na ako sa flavor ko. George, pero nga ako.
Try mo. Strawberry.
Guys, may nakita akong bagong flavor. Grape flavor. Nakita ko lang siya sa Sokmed last week. You guys wanna check it out?
Wala naman siguro masama mangyayari sa akin pag sinubukan ko rin, no?
Uy, anong tinitingnan mo dyan? Pre, ano yan?
Vape pre, oh.
Alam mong masama yan sa'yo ah. Tsaka ang batang-bata mo pa, yung kaagad iniisip mo.
Nakita ko lang naman pwede ko pala bumili online, eh. Kaya may try.
Teka. May alam akong magandang vape listing eh.
Kaso, ingat kayo. Kasi yung kaibigan namin, nasa ospital dahil sa vape. Pre, may recommend ako sa yung vape. Search mo nga.
Wait, ba't parang wala? Try mo nga, refresh mo ulit.
According to DTI E-Commerce and Compliance Division Chief Attorney Benas, the problem of illegal vape listings has become widespread, with the agency monitoring around 92,000 vape product listings in the past 2 years. Many of these were seized either from online platforms or during physical inspection. Through these takedowns, DTI prioritizes the safety of online consumers and reduces the spread of products without licenses, certificates, permits, health warning signs, or BIR stamps. The Internet Transactions Act of 2023 addresses the issue of trust, accountability, and security in the e-commerce environment. It promotes and maintains this by building trust between online merchants and online consumers. As the government continues to keep our online transactions safe, we move closer to a digital environment with transparency and security. Shop wisely, shop safe.